So I got this little table set for Jonathan. Found it, I think it was Craigslist. Can't remember if it was Craigslist or OfferUp. I think it was Craigslist. Anyway, and so we got the set for $30, but it's white. And this is metal. The table is actually metal. It's got a little bit of a laminate top on it. And then the chairs are metal with like a resin plastic, but a pretty good sized guy owned it. And it seems pretty sturdy, so we're gonna give it a shot. But again, it's white. So as usual, we're gonna take white and we're gonna make it into red for Jonathan. So this is the same that we used before. It's the satin colonial red paint and primer in one. So let's see what it'll look like when we turn it red. Chipping on the chairs or the table or anything. So basically I'm just washing it down with some multi-surface cleaner, making sure everything's going to be clean before we paint it. But it's in, like I said, it's in good condition. There's no chips or peeling paint or anything like that. So we have the first coat, and I like it red. Jonathan's gonna like it. He likes everything red. But so that's how they're looking so far. Now I'm letting them dry on top so I can finish painting off the bottom of the legs and stuff. And then on here, I'll do a second coat. As you can see, it's kind of like not real even. Well, on the table legs it is, but on the top it's not real even. But it's looking good. I like it. There we have it. We have all the chairs painted, front, back, up and down. So table painted. So we'll see. I'm gonna let that dry some. Probably need another coat, but that's not gonna happen today. The wind is starting to blow too much, and we've got that winter storm coming in. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then we'll move it all inside.